All right, guys, double digit by double digit multiplication. I'm going to use the number 79 times 32. Notice that I have left enough space in between my numbers to show my work. The first thing I need to do is I need to grab and take my number that's in my ones place and distribute it. I'm going to grab the 2, kind of lasso him, and then I'm going to distribute him to the ones place. I always have to distribute my 1 to my ones place first. When I distribute the 2 to the 9, that makes the number 18. I put my 8 below the ones place, and I carry my 10 because 18 is really 10 plus 8. So I carry my 10 and put a 1 and I put an addition symbol up top. The next step is to take the 2 and distribute it to the tens place. I'm going to take the 2 and distribute it to the 7. 2 times 7 is 14, but I need to add the 1. So then it's going to be 15. Before I can do anything else, I can't get a cookie yet. Remember me teaching you get a cookie if you do all your work on the front end correctly, but I can't get my cookie yet because I need to mark off the 1 because I've already used it, which was really a 10 because it was in the tens place. Now that I've done that, I get my cookie, and I can have a cookie because I deserve one. There's my cookie. My cookie represents a 0. Why am I putting a 0 here? Because my next number I'm going to multiply is in the tens place. And I can't multiply a digit that's in the tens place and put an answer in the ones place because that would make this number reduce in value, and that wouldn't be okay. I'm going to take the 3 and I'm going to distribute it, and I always have to take it and distribute it to the ones place. 3 times 9 is 27.
Oh, 27.
So I'm going to put a 7, and I'm going to carry my 2 and put a plus by my 2. Now that that step is done, I'm going to take the 3 and distribute it to the tens place. 3 to the tens place. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 2 is 22, 23. So I have 23. Now the last step, since I have all my pieces and I distributed both of my numbers to each place value, now I'm going to take them and add them, but I'm going to put them in jail so that I line my placement values up. So now these numbers have been naughty, they got in trouble, and they had to go to jail. They ate too many cookies, got too much chocolate in their tummies, and got a little crazy acting. So now I take 8 plus my cookie, which was a 0. 8 plus my cookie would be 8. 5 plus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I put a 2. I carry the 1, which is really a 100. I do 1 plus 2. 1 is 2 plus 3. I have 5. And then I bring down my 2. And your answer would be 2,528. And that's the way we do double digit multiplication.